This is page 3. Did you give your packet to me? I have no other packets in my folders. I don't know why it's so easy. No clue, man. Look in your folder, maybe. All right. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I do not know what's going on. Okay. Today. What is happening? I can usually talk right here and not have an issue. Today, maybe it's this. I don't know. Today. I think I'm okay now. No, I'm not okay. Gosh darn. All right, sorry. Today, we're gonna go over what we did yesterday. So be sure you have these notes. Same signs positive, different signs negative. These are our rules for what? Multiplying and dividing. Multiplying and dividing. What'd you get for number 1? 40, that's straightforward. What'd you get for number 2? 36. What'd you get for number 3? Negative 36, because our signs were different. What'd you get for 4? Negative 56, because our signs were different. What'd you get for number 5? Negative 54, because our signs were different. What'd you get for number 6? Negative 80, because our signs were different. What'd you get for number 7? 11, good, because our signs were the same. What'd you get for 8? Good, because our signs. Did the dots in the parentheses throw you off? No, you're big kids. You know that means to multiply. What'd you get for number 9? Negative 30. What'd you get for 10? Negative 52. Guys, all of these, I believe, were on your multiplication table if you need it. What'd you get for number 11? Not negative. Be careful here. Your signs are the same, so make sure you fix that. Sometimes we revert back to our addition subtraction rules, so be careful that you're using your multiplying and dividing rules, right? And what'd you get for 1249? All right, that's all we had to do. Today we are going to look at page 7. Page 7. All right, let's do a few of these together. Remember, I'm going to take some more notes. Why am I taking some more notes? Because you should take some more notes. It helps us to remember. So our rules for multiplying and dividing. When we have the same signs, our answer is positive. When we have different signs, our answer is what? Negative. So we have to keep those two things in mind, and we have to know how to multiply. So as long as you can multiply and follow these two simple rules, you can multiply and divide integers, okay? So what's 2 times 3? 6. Are my signs the same or different? Different, so my answer is negative. What's 5 times 1? 5. Are my signs the same or different? Same, so my answer is positive. Well done. What's 4 times 3? 12. Are my signs the same or different? Different, so my answer is, what's 4 times 7? 28. Are my signs the same or different? Different, so my answer is negative. You may use your multiplication table in your planner if you would like to. You do. I've referenced it a few times, but if you're going to look just past your handbook, the handbook ends on page 34. There is then a little science sheet and then math multiplication table. Oh man, you might have to borrow a planner. There's one right here. All right, please try. Are you ready? Try the rest of this page. We're gonna go over it. And then after you finish this page, you're gonna move on to page 8 and 9, and you're going to do numbers 10 through 12. Through 12, and then 19 through 22. After you finish these few, we will go over these if you're still struggling, but you can move on once you're done. You're going to try pages 8 and 9. You're going to do 10 through 12, and then 19 through 22. Those should be doable. And then you're going to be working in Alex. So you should have lots of time to be working in Alex. I'm going to pause this video to give you some time to do the rest of this page. And then we're gonna keep cruising. We're getting a little stuck. Stay with me. What's 14 times 5? Should be 70. And it would be negative, right? Because my signs are different. 9 times 12 is 108, but it would be negative because our signs are different. 6 times 8 is 48, and it's going to stay positive because our signs are the same. 10 times 10 is 100, again, is positive because our signs are the same. 11 times 13, 11 times is 143. And again, it's positive because our signs are the same. All right, some of you were like, oh, once you got to page 8, there were 3 numbers. You can still do this, I promise. Take a deep breath. First of all, what's 7 times 5? Jensen? 35. And is it positive or negative? Negative because your signs are different, right? So now I have 35 times 4. So yes, this is not on your multiplication table, so you might have to write it out. 35 times 4. Guys, it's 270s, which is going to be 140, but 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 3 is 12, plus that 2 is 14. Okay? So now, when I look at these 2 numbers, my signs are different. So my answer is negative. All right? So follow that same process and try 11 and 12, and then move on to try. So this was page 8. You were to do 10 through 12. And then I know I need to find someone to fix that for me. And then page 9, you need to do numbers 19 through 22. So there's just like 4 more problems after this. All right. And when you're done with those 2 things, you're working in Alex. You got lots of Alex time today.